Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change background color for any section on Shopify, even sections where Shopify is not allowing you to change the background color. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step, of course. Okay, so after that, guys, what you guys need to do next is, let me check here. Okay, what you guys need to do after you are on your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on online store, and after that you want to click on customize here. It's going to take you guys to your theme editor. Okay, so after you are on this page, you just need to find here what section you want to change. Okay, so as you can see, for example, if you want, for example, there are some sections where you can change it. As you can, in the theme, there will be an option to change the background color, but other sections you will not be able to do that. Let's just try to subscribe to our email section and see if we can change it. Okay, we are allowed to change it. Okay, but there are some sections in Shopify we are not allowed to do that, and I'm going to show you guys how you can change it using a very short code, which is like a custom code that you can paste at the very bottom in custom CSS section here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys first. Find a section where you don't have this option to change the color. So for example, I'm going to add here a new section. Let's say that I want this add section here. I'm going to add, for example, let's add here email sign up section and see if we can change if we are allowed to change. Okay, we are allowed to change it. Okay, I'm going to search here for a section that doesn't allow me to change the background color. Okay, so for example, I would add, for example, contact form. Okay, and this is the contact form. When I click on it, it displays here where I can change the color, but I don't want to change it. Okay, by the way, you can change like the sections where you are able to do that. Okay, inside Shopify you can just change it to any color you want, but there are some sections that Shopify is not allowing you to change them. Okay, for example, I'm going to scroll I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to click on this section. It seems like it's not allowing me to change this. As you can see, as you can see the header, I am not able to change the background color because there is no option here. So if there is no option here, like it doesn't show you guys it doesn't allow you to change the background color. You just need to scroll down at the very bottom left, at the very bottom, and you can see here, guys, this custom CSS. Click on it, and you want to paste a very short code that I will add in the description of this video. Okay, there will be a short code in the description of this video. Okay, just need to copy that code as you can see here, and you want to paste it here. Okay, I have pasted the code here. It's not this is not the code. I'm going to copy the code right now. This is the code. It's very short. Okay, go back and paste that code here, and you want to click on save. Okay, now you can play with this as you want. Okay, as you can see now, the header background color is not changed. Now what you guys need to do is, you can change this color code to any color you want. You can just search here on Google for example, let's search for color code picker. Okay, and you want to find which color you want. Okay, just choose any color you want here. As you can see, I'm going to change pink color, and each color has a code, and this is the code. As you can see, you just need to copy this code. Okay, you want to copy the code for any color that you want, and come back to this page where you have added your custom CSS code, and replace the code. Okay, replace it to the new code, which is the new color, and click on save, and you will be able to change this color to any color you want. Okay, so if the color didn't change and you have placed here the code but the color didn't change, that means you are using down theme. Okay, so down theme, I will add another code in the description. You just need to click on it. I will just mention in the description down code, down theme code, and then you can click it. And other themes, the first one that I have mentioned here in this video, it will work for other themes, but down theme you will have to select it. Okay, and you can just click the link in the description. I will add there two codes. One works for all themes, and one specific code works only for down themes. Okay, so I'm going to click on here. I'm going to change this color. Like I said, you can do the exact same steps. Go to like color picker, and I will change this to pink, which is like my favorite color. I'm going to copy the code, and yeah, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to replace the code like I said. I'm going to replace it. Okay, and as you can see, the color has changed, as you can see, to pink. Okay, you can do this for any section, like I said, on Shopify. Even like some sections where you are not allowed to change, for example, this section we are not allowed, for example, to change the color. Okay, so you just search here for any section, and you will be able, guys, to change the like I said, the background color. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, just go to the comments below and ask me any question you have, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, for the sections that Shopify allows you to change the background color, you can just click on edit, and you can click on background, and you can change it to any color here, as you can see. Okay, you can change it to any color. Make sure you click on save in the top after you change it, and that's it. Okay, so hopefully this one helped you. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like, and see you.